Over 60? Eat these easy-to-digest food to keep joints strong. Have you noticed how mornings feel different now? You wake up, swing your legs out of bed, and your knees protest. Your fingers feel stiff when you reach for a cup, and it takes time before your body feels ready. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Many people over 60 experience this and quietly assume it's just wear and tear. But here's something most people are never told. Joint pain after 60 is not only about age or damaged joints. Often it starts in the gut. As we get older, digestion slows. Food that once felt fine can now irritate the gut, increase inflammation, and send signals of pain to the joints. This does not mean your body is failing. It means your needs have changed. When digestion is stressed, inflammation rises, and joints suffer. The good news is that this process is not permanent. By choosing foods that are easier to digest, you reduce gut stress, calm inflammation, and give your joints a real chance to feel better. In a moment, I'll share 5 simple foods that support this process. Stay until the end. The last one is often overlooked, but powerful. Gently like and subscribe for guidance. Food number 1, steamed zucchini. At first, it might sound almost too simple to make a difference, but for joints after 60, simplicity often brings the biggest impact. Raw vegetables, which once felt light and easy, can now be harder to digest. Your stomach may protest, or you might notice bloating and discomfort after meals that never caused issues before. This is a natural shift with age. The fiber in raw vegetables, while healthy, can be rough on a more sensitive digestive system. That's where steaming zucchini makes a quiet but powerful difference. Steaming softens the vegetable's fibers, making them gentle on your gut, while still preserving essential nutrients. This process reduces irritation in the digestive tract, lowering the overall inflammatory load that can travel from the gut to your joints. In other words, by preparing your food in a way that respects your digestion, you're taking the first step toward easing joint stiffness from the inside out. It's not about masking pain with pills or supplements. It's about giving your body what it truly needs to function smoothly. Zucchini is particularly remarkable because it naturally contains potassium, vitamin C, and a high water content. Potassium supports muscle function around the joints, helping them move more freely without added strain. Vitamin C, long recognized for its role in tissue repair, contributes to collagen production, which keeps joint cartilage healthy and resilient. The water in zucchini provides gentle hydration at the cellular level, helping joint tissues stay lubricated and less prone to stiffness. This combination makes zucchini not just nourishing, but directly supportive of mobility and comfort. Think of a warm plate of steamed zucchini on your dinner table. The soft texture is easy to chew and digest, the mild flavor soothing rather than harsh, and each bite quietly working to reduce inflammation. For many people over 60, discovering that food itself can ease discomfort is empowering. It reframes the experience of aging joints from inevitable decline to a manageable, daily practice of care. You're no longer at the mercy of stiff knees or aching fingers. You're actively choosing foods that respect your body's changing needs. Perhaps most importantly, zucchini is one of the safest vegetables for aging digestion. It rarely causes bloating, gas, or irritation, so it's gentle enough to eat regularly without worry. Incorporating it into your meals is an easy, realistic step anyone can take, yet the effects accumulate quietly but powerfully over time. Just a small adjustment like this can begin to shift your daily comfort, reduce stiffness, and make movement feel less like a struggle. One simple, thoughtful choice at a time can restore confidence in your body, proving that supporting your joints doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. Food number 2, soft-boiled egg yolks. If you paused at that thinking, "Aren't egg yolks bad for me?" You're not alone. For decades, many of us were told to avoid them, worried about cholesterol and heart health. But modern research shows that for most people, egg yolks are far more friend than foe, especially when it comes to supporting aging joints. They contain vitamin D, choline, and healthy fats, nutrients that play a quiet but essential role in keeping cartilage strong, synovial fluid rich, and the muscles around your joints functioning smoothly. These aren't just vague claims. They're the building blocks that help your joints resist stiffness and deterioration over time. The soft-boiled method matters more than you might think. As we age, Our ability to digest protein can slow, making certain preparations harder on the stomach. A soft-boiled egg gently cooks the yolk and white, preserving nutrients while making the protein easier to digest. Unlike fried or overcooked eggs, which can create oxidative stress and inflammation, soft boiling maintains the natural balance of fats and antioxidants. This means every bite is not only gentle on digestion, but also supportive of your body's repair processes. In essence, you're feeding your joints without taxing your system, letting nutrition do its work quietly and effectively. Egg yolks are particularly remarkable for cartilage repair. Vitamin D helps the body use calcium efficiently, which supports bone and joint integrity. Choline, a nutrient often overlooked, plays a role in reducing inflammation and supporting cell membranes, which includes those in cartilage and synovial fluid. The healthy fats in yolks act as natural lubricants for joints, helping them glide with less friction and discomfort. Think of a soft-boiled yolk as a small, nutrient-dense capsule of care, nourishing the very structures that keep you moving freely. It's a gentle, consistent way to give your body the tools it needs to maintain comfort and mobility. For many people over 60, egg yolks also represent a shift in mindset. They challenge the fear-based narratives we've been told for decades. By understanding why soft-boiled yolks are beneficial, you replace anxiety with action. Instead of worrying about damage, you're choosing food that actively supports repair and resilience. This empowers you to approach meals with intention, knowing each choice contributes to longer-term joint health and overall vitality. Incorporating soft-boiled egg yolks into your diet is simple and realistic. Just a couple a week, paired with other easy-to-digest foods, can quietly improve joint function over time. There's no need for extreme diets or complicated supplements. Small, informed choices accumulate into meaningful change. You're no longer a passive observer of your body's aging. You are guiding it, nourishing it, and proving that joints can remain strong, flexible, and resilient even after 60. Food number 3, mashed sweet potato. There's something quietly comforting about a warm, smooth scoop on your plate. And for aging bodies, that comfort is more than just emotional. It's functional. As we get older, muscles and joints require steady energy to move and recover, not sudden spikes that leave you drained or stiff. Sweet potatoes provide this slow-release fuel, supplying glucose gradually so your body can use it efficiently. This gentle energy helps support movement, stamina, and recovery without the blood sugar swings that can worsen inflammation or leave you feeling exhausted. The real magic lies in the nutrients tucked inside. Beta-carotene, the compound that gives sweet potatoes their rich orange color, is a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. It quietly reduces oxidative stress in joints, helping ease stiffness and soreness. Magnesium and potassium work alongside it to relax the muscles surrounding your joints, allowing them to move more freely. Together, these nutrients create a calming effect on your entire musculoskeletal system, reducing the silent tension that often makes every step or stretch feel harder than it should. Mashed sweet potato also shines because of its texture. Soft and smooth, it's easier on the digestive system, which matters more than ever after 60. When your gut is comfortable, nutrient absorption improves, and your body can put those vitamins and minerals to work where they matter most. The gentle consistency transforms a simple vegetable into a joint-friendly, digestion-safe meal, allowing your body to receive steady nourishment without irritation or stress. This isn't about strict dieting, it's about choosing foods that harmonize with your body's changing needs. For many, the idea of sweet potatoes may also bring a sense of emotional warmth, a reminder of meals that feel safe, familiar, and nurturing. That comfort translates into hope that energy can coexist with ease, that your joints can remain flexible even as time passes. Each spoonful becomes a small act of care, a way to fuel yourself without fear of pain or fatigue. It's a gentle, yet powerful strategy to reclaim daily comfort and mobility, quietly supporting your body from the inside out. Incorporating mashed sweet potato into your routine is simple, realistic, and deeply effective. A few servings a week, paired with other easy-to-digest, anti-inflammatory foods, steadily builds resilience in your muscles and joints. Over time, you may notice movement feels smoother, stiffness eases, and energy lasts longer. This is the essence of practical, age-smart nutrition. Small, intentional choices that create meaningful change, proving that even after 60, you can enjoy food that nourishes, protects, and empowers your body. Food number 4, stewed apples. At first, it might seem like a simple dessert or snack, but for joints over 60, they are quietly powerful medicine. Many people don't realize how closely the gut and joints are connected. When digestion struggles, it can trigger low-level inflammation that travels through the body, making knees, fingers, and hips feel stiff and achy. By supporting your gut, you're indirectly calming your joints, reducing that hidden, persistent pain that makes movement feel harder than it should. Stewing apples transforms them from a raw, sometimes tough-to-digest fruit into a gentle, gut-friendly option. Heat breaks down the fibers, softening them so the digestive system can handle them easily. As the apple cooks, it releases pectin, a natural compound that helps heal and soothe the gut lining. This is not just about comfort. Better digestion directly lowers systemic inflammation. When your gut is calm, the inflammatory signals it sends to joints quiet down, helping stiffness and soreness fade. In other words, each spoonful of stewed apple is a step toward pain relief from the inside out. What makes stewed apples remarkable is how they turn a familiar food into a functional tool for aging health. You're not eating sugar for a quick burst of energy. You're consuming a digestive ally that supports joint wellness. The soft texture, gentle flavor, and natural sweetness make it easy to enjoy consistently without irritation or stress. It's a quiet, non-invasive way to nurture your body, proving that small, thoughtful choices can have outsized effects on comfort and mobility. For many, realizing this hidden gut-joint connection is a relief. Pain and stiffness often feel inevitable, but understanding the science behind it creates hope. You no longer have to accept discomfort as the natural cost of aging. By gently supporting your digestive system, you're taking control, reducing inflammation, and giving your joints a real chance to feel freer and more flexible. Stewed apples show that food can be both comforting and purposeful, blending emotional warmth with practical benefit. Incorporating stewed apples into your routine is simple and safe. Just a few servings a week can help maintain gut health, calm inflammation, and ease joint tension. Over time, you may notice stiffness diminishing, digestion improving, and energy returning. This is the power of age-smart nutrition, using familiar, easy-to-digest foods to quietly but effectively support your body. Each bite reminds you that care, patience, and the right choices can transform how your joints feel and how confidently you move every day. Food number 5, soft cooked rice with turmeric. At first, it may sound almost too simple to make a difference, but for joints after 60, simplicity often brings the greatest benefit. Many people think that cutting all carbohydrates will help them feel lighter or reduce inflammation, yet over-restricting carbs can actually worsen joint stiffness and fatigue. Soft, easily digestible rice provides gentle energy your body can use without taxing the digestive system. Combined with turmeric, it becomes more than a meal. It's a quiet ritual that supports your joints from the inside out. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound studied extensively for its ability to reduce inflammatory signaling throughout the body. When your digestive system is calm and able to absorb nutrients efficiently, curcumin works more effectively, helping the subtle inflammatory processes that can stiffen joints gradually subside. This means your morning movements may feel smoother, your muscles and connective tissue more relaxed, and the discomfort that often greets you upon waking may be less pronounced. It's not a cure, but it is a supportive, gentle way to give your body what it needs to repair and maintain itself naturally. The combination of soft rice and turmeric also taps into a familiar, comforting routine. A warm bowl in the evening is easy to prepare, easy to digest, and blends seamlessly into daily life. It becomes a small, practical habit you can anchor to your evening, giving you a sense of control over your joint health. Knowing that a simple step tonight can help your body repair overnight offers reassurance and empowerment, proving that even small, intentional choices matter as we age. Beyond the science, this food choice fosters hope. It reminds us that we are not powerless over the natural changes in our bodies. By choosing foods that are both nourishing and gentle, You provide your joints with the nutrients and environment they need to stay flexible and comfortable. It transforms mealtime into an act of care, a chance to support your body rather than ignore its signals. Each bite of soft rice with turmeric is a reminder that you can take action, one calm, mindful step at a time toward reduced stiffness and greater mobility. Incorporating this simple practice into your routine can complement the other foods we've discussed: steamed zucchini, soft boiled egg yolks, mashed sweet potato, and stewed apple, creating a daily pattern of joint-friendly nutrition. Over time, these choices can help maintain comfort, ease, and confidence in your movement. The most important takeaway is that you don't need extreme diets or complicated supplements to care for your joints. You need consistent, thoughtful habits that respect your body's needs. If you found these 5 foods helpful, remember that small, intentional choices accumulate into real change. Try incorporating them into your meals this week and notice the difference in how your joints feel and move. For ongoing tips and guidance on age-smart nutrition for joint health, gently like this video and subscribe to stay connected. Your body deserves support, and these simple steps are a meaningful way to give it exactly that.